Yo, 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 what's good, homies? Welcome to this video. And in this video, my friends, my good friends, straight up, today's been awesome. And I had a great day today. And basically, I'm going to cover a lot of things in this video. So let's stop doing a boring, weird intro, Ben. Let's dive right in and get to the good stuff. So updates on my life lately. Just been living. I've been overeating a lot, just because habits gonna kick in. So that's my life right now. Lots of fun, a lot of working out, a lot of swimming, a lot of games, a lot of movies, a lot of work, and like at the end of the day, managing my campaigns takes up less than 30 minutes every single day. It's easy. I check it in the morning, and then check it in the evening. And let me refresh the screen real quick. I don't know why I didn't do that. Sorry about that. Let me refresh. I'll refresh later in the video, so everyone can see. But straight up, what else was I going to mention? And I just make a couple videos here and there for the second channel. And then for this channel, lately, just for this month, I'm just going to, at the end of every single day, I'm going to show you stuff. So my earnings. So June 7th. So in 7 days is how much I made in the month. It's 11 o'clock in the evening, and it's been good. So, at the end of the day, people think, oh, you're making all this money. Why don't you go buy a Lambo? Well, I'm very smart with money and I understand things about money. And you'll understand that money doesn't fully make you happy, but it sure does once you start making it. That was about like a couple of years ago. And when you reach certain points, you just want to reach the next levels. Okay. So you need to understand that. It needs to make sense to you. Um, and then at the end of the day, I could rent a Lamborghini or anything, but I've never been super interested in cars. And people just ask me that a lot, and they're like, "Why don't you have a Lambo?" Well, I'm not as interested in cars as others, and I understand the power of money. Money's a superpower, okay, guys? And so go get your bread. Inside my courses, I teach you how to make this bread, baby. Okay, so just understand that. Next is my goals are definitely seven figures this year or next year. Like, that is my goal for sure, for sure. And it might require multiple campaigns that are very thought out, very big, all linking together, interlocked, everything. And then building this personal brand, and then building my other channel really big. Okay. It's a voiceover channel. I talk about it a lot in my sweepstake course, how to do it and everything. And I don't go in depth on it for free in this YouTube channel. But I do mention some stuff in the YouTube channel if you're interested and you can't afford. I know some people can't afford just $100 course. It is really cheap. But for its value, it's insanely cheap. I should be charging $9.97 like I did before. Many of you actually purchased for $9.97, which is very awesome, and you're making money from it, which is awesome. So let's move on here. Maybe not that. Okay. Why am I doing a personal brand? Because I understand the power of networking with you guys. I want to network with you guys, and when I first started, the information was not really there. I started when I was in junior high and high school, and information was not fully all out there. New videos are added every single day. I'm subscribed to every single one of the gurus, as you like to call them, people with knowledge about how to make money online, how to do certain different kind of business opportunities, as you call them. And I watch their videos and go through them every single day. It's kind of part of my routine, if you will. And so anyway, what I mean is, like, when I first started, the knowledge wasn't there. I accumulated all the knowledge over 6 hours per day learning, like literally over 6 hours every single day learning. Okay. And I still do that. Okay. Maybe not over 6 hours nowadays, but there are days I'll do even more than 6 hours just learning just because. And, it's a habit and it's kind of an addiction as well. Like, learning can be a major addiction. Okay. But it can be the most beneficial addiction on earth. Okay. And we should just call it a habit, really. Okay, so what am I getting to here? Is I just want to bring the actual real knowledge to people, because when I was in junior high, I wish I could have made it all happen way sooner. Okay, with just having the knowledge and taking action. But the earlier you start, the better. But sometimes it takes a lot of luck in the beginning when you're like really young to make it work because your brain's not fully developed. Next is how to run ads on Facebook ads effectively. So how do you do that? Now, whenever it comes to cold traffic and running ads, you got to realize if there's an AI involved, which is the artificial intelligence of Facebook, then you're basically set. You just need to build up to that lookalike audience that Facebook provides, and you're able to scale with that of people similar to people who have converted on what you want to convert on. So very, very powerful to understand that. Now, the other thing is cold traffic. So when you do Facebook ads, what's your goal? Usually to build an audience in a certain niche if you go long term, or the other goal is to straight up just make conversions on the front end, okay, with cold traffic. Now, how do you do that? It's easier with Facebook than almost any other platform, kind of. Now, you just need to understand certain principles of persuasion and marketing and click-through rate and EPC and all the numbers, average order value, lifetime value. All these are very important to understand. And at the end of the day, when it comes down to paid traffic, you need to be able to invest the most to acquire conversions. And so how do you do that? You need to have a lot of offers. You need to have a very thought out funnel or multiple funnels. You need to have lots of offers, like I mentioned. With my sweepstake offers, which is mainly most of the earnings here, sweepstake offers, survey offers, email submit offers mainly, and then a couple like payout offers that are cost per sale offers that happen periodically. Sometimes people on these sweepstake offers have to basically put their credit card information in, and they are a conversion. And so I have a couple of those running and get conversions here and there of those. But I mean, the email submits are crazy. I mean, as you can see, like conversions 24/7. Okay, let me refresh again. And everything's still the same, no conversions right now. Okay, so basically that's all there is to it. Next is when you run ads, you need to be split testing a lot of ads. You need to be split testing a lot of ad sets, and you need to ball out of control with split testing and understanding numbers and all that. I don't know why I said ball out of control, but straight up. And at the end of the day, I want to network with you guys, and that's why I mainly do this. And it's another income stream to help you guys. And I always wanted to help you people that wanted to figure it out. Okay, and I've got all the secrets. I've been through thousands of courses, been through hundreds of freaking books, and I have a huge book collection, huge course collection at this point, and tons of knowledge that I'm giving you guys. And obviously, paid information is best information. So I figured for this month, I'll just show you guys my earnings, and you can decide to learn the actual best information I have. Now, next is how to do free traffic for sweepstakes. Okay, so if you want to do free traffic for sweepstake offers, you need to understand. And if you don't know what sweepstake offers, it's basically you make a conversion of like $2 all the way to $3 for every single conversion you get. Okay, it's email submit type offer. Okay, now they convert like wildfire. Some of them have caps, so promote a lot of them. Okay, that's what I do. Like literally just promote a ton. Okay, on an offer wall page. So you can literally have an offer wall page, a website with just a ton of these offers all over the place. And at the top, you can have your headline like check out the products below, or check out down below, and you can have a chance to win. Or you say free giveaways down below. It doesn't matter really what you say. You just have a call to action. Okay. Now I like to say product testers. Okay, you can become a product tester down below and sign up, stuff like that. That's a good angle I like. Now you can go with trends as your angle, etc. But back to free traffic, straight up, guys, all you got to do is you just have to make a lot of content on YouTube, and it doesn't matter what niche you're in, really. You need to understand that. Now, I'm in the entertainment niche, one of the biggest niches on YouTube for my second channel, and I get millions of views like every single month, and I want to get that up to like, I wish I could get up to 1 billion views, but that's unrealistic. But 100 million views for a month would be insane, and I'd cap out all the offers I'm promoting, okay, and it'd be insane. That's really, really hard level to reach. Okay, so that is way, way in the future, obviously. I'd need a team and everything, but I'm just doing it on the side along with this YouTube channel here and then my paid ads. And how you do it is basically you create content for whatever niche you want to get to. If you want to do entertainment stuff, find content that's funny, find content that's entertaining, find content that's rare, and voice over it and do a bunch of these videos. Set aside like an hour a day where you do this. And if you set aside an hour a day, by the way, I only set aside less than 30 minutes to do this, okay? Because the videos can be up to 10 minutes long or a little bit over that, and that's how it works, okay? But if you did an hour a day doing this, you could make like 10 videos of 10 minutes or like 20 videos of 5 minutes. Like, it's crazy, okay? Think about how you can leverage that every single day. Like if you work an 8-hour job, that's 80 videos, okay? So no one's realistically able to do that. A team and leveraging people's time is how you really, really do that. And very powerful. And I am tired right now because it is 11 o'clock at night. But I wanted to get the video out like I promised every single day for this month to do. And free traffic at the end of the day. Put the links down in the description. Link to all your other funnels if you're doing what I'm doing, which is all my other campaigns. I just link to all my other campaigns I'm doing just down below. I collect email addresses of my own, and I'm able to direct link to my offer wall, and they convert on the offer wall offers, and I can send them to specific landing pages for specific type offers like iPhone offers, which are classic. There's tons of offers for that are always switching, work from home offers. So I have landing pages for that sort of thing. Now you can do that too, and you can also link to ClickBank offers. Okay, I don't even really do ClickBank. Uh, I just at this point I'm just like I'm not even in the health niche right now. Might as well not. But Digistore I have focused on quite a bit, and I make conversions here and there from Digistore, mainly from the personal brand, and then um, Wesley's offer over on Digistore. If you know what it is, it's the overnight millionaire system. It actually converts really really well. And so if you want to if you want to promote that one you can do okay really really well. Now let's move on here again. All right. And another thing about YouTube is remember the content lasts. It's different than any other platform. The content will stay there. The content will get discovered and searched for and found, and you will get views for years and years until you die, and then even past that. Okay, so it's very very effective. I like YouTube. I wish I would have started with YouTube as a young lad. Okay, um, just doing the entertainment videos. Okay, just doing affiliate marketing on that same channel. I wish I would have done that in high school or junior high, even way down the road. I wish I would have got family, friends, hired them, and everything to do it. I could have reached a high level very quickly, but I was messing around with different platforms that were easier with a less barrier to entry and didn't get into the YouTube game because remember, YouTube lasts forever, most powerful platform. So if you're doing free traffic, definitely focus on YouTube, and you don't need to show your face. You can just do voiceovers and you're set. Now that's what I do. Okay. And obviously, for a personal brand, you got to show your face. And for affiliate marketing, you don't have to have a personal brand. You just need to get traffic. Okay. So, however you get traffic that's actually like good traffic, then you're set. You need to send traffic to a good offer too. Um, that's basically it, guys. And you can check out my courses because guess what? They teach the secrets, and there are secrets. Okay. I don't care what anyone says. There are things I know that will blow your mind. And if you're ready to get inside and you're thinking about it, it's time for you. Okay, I've got all the knowledge, all the secrets, everything, the loopholes, the hacks. I mean, it's crazy, and you'll discover them all at once, and you're gonna be like, holy crap! And there truly are loopholes in everything, and it's insane. And everything I do to make this happen is all inside the course. Everything I'm doing to make my results happen here is inside the course. Okay, and the courses. Now, the mega bundle is all the courses for a very, very cheap price for how much value there is. Like compared to all the other courses, they'll teach, okay, just I'm going to teach you ClickBank, charge $9.97. And it's like, dude, you're ripping people off. And I am giving people tons of value, and it's crazy. And so the cream always rises to the top, and that's what it's all about, baby. And so changing people's lives here, and I am super happy for it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and go through the videos here and subscribe. And peace out, my friends. See you later.